Thank you.
Nothing at all.
Union Beach, New Jersey. A woman gets pulled over with a tire so destroyed she's grinding the rim. She said it was a pothole. The tire turned up in a parking lot a mile back. 3 field sobriety tests later, she was in handcuffs. The real question is not whether she was drunk. It's whether every step the officer took holds up under the Fourth Amendment.
Take your foot off the gas. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
What happened?
Thank you. Flat tire.
I see. Looks like you've had that flat tire for some time. Where are you coming from?
Atlantic Highlands.
Where are you going?
Middletown.
What's that?
Middletown.
You're going to Middletown?
Yes.
You passed Middletown.
Yes.
Did you hit something or?
Yeah.
What'd you hit?
A pothole.
Pothole, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Have you called anybody or anything?
Yeah.
Who'd you call?
Like boyfriend.
Your boyfriend? Where's he coming from?
Middletown.
Where were you?
Yeah.
Where were you in Atlantic Highlands?
Alright, let me,
Okay, before you get back in the car, how much did you have to drink today?
nothing.
Nothing at all.
No.
Not one. Not a glass of wine, not a beer, nothing.
No.
Okay.
No.
Where are you coming from in Atlantic Highlands?
Alright, give me a second.
Why don't you give me your license, your registration, and your insurance? Where did you hit the pothole?
Right, like, not first one here.
Stand right over here for me. You're going to turn your car off, okay? Don't go anywhere. So what's this from? Is this new or? Did you hit something else besides a pothole?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just gotta make sure. Alright, tell you what, come over here for me, real quick. Who's the car registered to? You?
Yeah.
You? Okay, come over here for me. Over here, face me. Face me. Take a step away from the car, quickly. Just one step towards me. There you go. Okay. Do me a favor. Just put your sunglasses up for me, like that. Okay. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. You can read and understand the English language, right? You understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have anything wrong with your eyes that I should know about medically? Like, do you have a glass eye or anything like that?
No.
No, not at all?
No,
Okay.
No.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only, and I don't want you to move your head. Do you understand?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Stand up straight. Just keep your arms at your sides, okay? Ready? Don't move your head. Follow my finger. Very simple. Just follow my finger. Don't move your head, okay? Keep following my finger, okay? Very easy. Don't move your head. Don't move your head. This is important, okay? Follow my finger. Don't move your head.
Yes.
Yeah, stop moving your head. Don't move your head. See? Right here, okay? Don't look at anything else. Just look at my finger. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Over here. Don't move your head. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Do you have anything wrong with your back, your hips, your knees, your ankles, anything like that medically? No?
No.
Nothing. So you're good?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have you do a balance test, okay?
Okay.
What I want you to do is I want you to take your right foot and put it in front of your left foot with your heel touching your toe, just like I'm doing.
Okay.
Heel touching your toe. Make a straight line. Like this. Do you see how my feet are? There's nothing over there you need to look at. You need to look at me. Look at my feet. Do you see how my feet are? I need you to put your feet exactly like this. And I need you to keep your hands at your sides. Do you understand?
Okay.
Are you able to do that?
Yeah.
Do you have something medically wrong with you that's stopping you from doing that? Because you're not doing it.
No.
No, okay. So what I want you to do is stay just like that, okay? When I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps this way, turn around, and take 9 heel to toe steps back, okay? It's gonna look just like this. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9, okay? When you get to 9, you're going to keep that foot on the ground. You're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to turn around. You're going to take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, until you get to 9, okay? Keep your hands at your sides. Your foot has to touch your heel has to touch your toe on every step, and I want you to count your steps out loud.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Okay, go right ahead. $65.21 for county. I have 1 out for testing. All right. Feet together, hands at your sides. 1 out of the vehicle for testing. So, hands at your sides, feet together. Whichever foot you want, you're going to lift it off the ground about 6 inches. You're going to point your toe out just like I'm doing. 1001, 1000, not yet. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop, okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's, here, why don't we turn this way? Okay, now go ahead. Whichever one you want. Ready?
Yes.
Did you hear my instructions?
Yes.
So do you know what you're supposed to do?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Don't hold on to your car. Put your hands at your sides. Okay. All right, so I am going to place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Please turn around and put your hands behind your back. Please turn around. Put your hands behind your back. No. Don't pull away from me. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you. Don't do that. Okay? Don't make this hard. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No.
Okay.
This
Come with
is
me.
Not,
Come with me. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
not, I'm sorry.
Hop in. Sit on the seat, 1 foot after another. Thank you.
It's not.
Sit tight.
Around the 9-minute mark, the officer calls it. Under New Jersey Statute 39:4-50, DUI means operating while impaired by alcohol. No breathalyzer required to make that call on the roadside. What he needs is probable cause from everything already observed: the rim grinding, the vague answers, the struggles on all 3 SFST components. That's the totality of circumstances stack courts use to decide. Still, a defense attorney goes straight to the HGN test. The officer corrected her head at least 5 times. Under NHTSA protocol, you pause, reposition, rerun that pass. If that didn't happen, the clue count gets attacked.
65, 36 County.
65, 36.
I'll be out with 6521.
Great.
Yeah. Look at her fucking wheel. I can't even figure out who this woman is. Like, she's...
Like, obliterated?
like, completely out there.
That car's bad.
Dude, that's bad. Like, how long was she driving on
She was
that?
driving on that for a while. You can see the rim.
Yeah. Like... Yeah, Justine Meadow.
Where's the car come back to? Is that her, the RO, or no?
If I had to guess, no. I don't know who that is. Do me a favor.
Want to run it?
Go see if you think that's her. Is it?
And I asked her the question. She knew right away.
Man, she looks different.
Oh yeah. But I still see, like, I think it's her.
I don't know where the hell she put her phone. It might be in her pocket. 6521 to county. Can you get me a 17? Yeah, I can't figure out if that's new.
It's new.
Yeah.
She hit something.
I think she hit the barrier.
Yeah, she might hit the barrier. Cause that's it literally just came off.
Yeah.
Like, it's literally coming off.
I asked her if that was new, and she was like, eventually, I think she muttered a no, but I don't know. All right, I'm gonna, I guess I'm gonna get her back. Get the show on the road. I went through the car a little bit, but not a whole lot. If you want to go through it, just make sure there's no booze in here or anything. That's fine. Yeah, just fill the toe slip out.
Yeah,
All right.
You have I just take a picture of her.
6521 to county.
Good.
I'll be transporting the female 41 back to headquarters. Starting miles 62030.0.
3-6, Trans 41, female 41, headquarters, starting mileage 62030.0. Also, we attempted the on-call tow 2 times after voicemail. Is it okay to respond?
I'm sorry, all I got was you attempted the on-call tow. What'd you say after that?
But you got their voicemail twice. Do you want us to move on, or do you want us to continue to call them?
Yeah, move on, please.
3-6.
County, if you could make a note, I believe the tire from this vehicle is in the parking lot of Union Beach Plaza. There's also a bunch of tire marks on the ground.
Sobriety.
(21 to 36). Take a look in Lucky 7 parking lot on your way out. Come with me.
It's not really that sorry.
Careful. Okay, stop here. Good?
It's not really.
Okay, come with me. Okay. Do you have your phone in your pocket?
I do,
You do? Okay.
but this is not really necessary.
Well, here we go. Okay. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these handcuffs off,
Thank you.
and then you're going to sit down on this bench, and I'm going to put this handcuff on you. You understand? Turn around. Put that on the back of your head, please. Put your arm on the back of your head, please. Thank you. Okay. Have a seat. Right arm, please. Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you. Procedure. Deactivating body camera.
She resists. That's where Graham versus Connor kicks in. The Supreme Court said force during an arrest gets evaluated under objective reasonableness, judged from the scene, not in hindsight. She was pulling away. That's enough. That resistance also opens a separate charge. New Jersey Statute 2C:29-2, purposely preventing an arrest is a disorderly person's offense at minimum, third degree if physical force was used. There's also the vehicle search. Search incident to a lawful DWI arrest is permitted in New Jersey, but only after the arrest is formally made. If the search came first, that's a Fourth Amendment problem. Officer overall ran the stop cleanly. Medical screens, correct sequence, calm tone throughout. The concern is the HGN documentation. Head corrections need to be in the report, or the clue count falls apart. As for the driver, cooperative early, but couldn't explain where she'd been, couldn't locate the pothole, struggled to hold the walk and turn starting position. Then she resisted, and made everything downstream harder. Resisting a lawful arrest doesn't void it, doesn't suppress the evidence, it just adds charges.
First lesson for drivers. Say you had nothing to drink once, then stop. Inconsistent answers feed the probable cause record.
Second lesson for law enforcement. Every corrected HGN pass needs to be documented. Solid fieldwork falls apart without a report that reflects what was actually done. Third lesson for everyone. Resisting a lawful arrest has never once made things better. Under Graham versus Connor, she handed the officer legal cover to escalate when none of that was necessary. If there's a stop or an arrest you think deserves this breakdown, drop it in the comments. Rights only matter if people actually understand them. Thanks for watching.